All right, so we're back, folks. More and more people are going back to the way things were, and organic farming is one way of keeping it healthy. So we went to Zimbali Farms to learn more about the age-old practice. Have a look.
Welcome to Zimbali farm here, and this farm is a full organic farm, 7.5 acre property, meaning we use no farmer fertilizer, no chemical at all. The only thing we use on this farm is like our compost, our mulch, our stuff like that. And we use no machine on this farm, everything done physically by hand, manpower. On this farm here, including like broccoli, cauliflower, callaloo, tomatoes.
And all of this stuff is used in the cooking?
Yeah, all of this stuff what we use here. Like 95% of the stuff what we grow on the farm, that's what we use up in the kitchen here. And everything is all picked fresh at all the time. We rotate our crop very often, like short, vegetable is like short crop things, so those we have to rotate them very often. Like every other 6 weeks or 8 weeks, we have to move to different spots. That's how we have to do it. We have our bees hive behind the right there too.
So you get your honey from here?
Yeah, all our natural honey, because it's really hard to get natural honey, so we always have to keep our bees to get our own honey. This is noni.
This is it, right?
Noni, yeah, noni, all these trees are noni.
Yes.
Yeah.
And what is the noni good for, Clifford?
The noni is good, mostly good for immune system, but you have to be ripened on the tree first and then it be fermented before it's usable. Yeah, so it's not like for eating.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's a drink?
Yeah.
Where are we heading to now?
Heading over to the vegetable spot now. We have different type of vegetable. We have a lot of chilies over here too.
Chilies?
Yeah.
As in pepper?
Yeah, hot spicy like we have habanero. And over there we have like lima bean. All those on the chalice there, those are lima bean, the big broad white beans. And all these on the ground here are sweet potato. These grow underneath the earth. We have like the white one and the red one. Alright, searching now. Searching for the potato vine.
Clifford, how long does it usually take for a sweet potato?
A sweet potato is like 4 months time, This is a callaloo. And callaloo is like its closest vegetable to spinach. This is like you eat both the leaf and the stalk. You just dice up everything together and steam like for five minutes. You cannot steam it for too long, otherwise you have no taste. You cut it here and it just spring back. You keep cutting, and the more you cut it, is more it spring back. So it's not
so you
like
don't
one.
necessarily take from the
No, I'm like you always cut. You come here and let me show you something. You see?
Oh,
You see?
okay.
That's how you do it. You just cut it and it starts. Yeah. Exactly. So when I cut again, I cut it like here and it starts to sprout back from here. I cut it here, it starts to spring back from here. So you just keep cutting and just keep springing until it just gets old and die out. All these are up front. See them here? All these are flowers. And you already harvest a couple from these already. This is the okra. See?
And I'm seeing sweet pepper.
Yeah. Yeah, a lot of people said bell pepper, we call it sweet pepper. I have a lot more too here. These are just few, and if you notice how I plant stuff, I mix my things right through.
Why do you mix?
I mix it in a time like this, it's very dry when we hardly getting no rain, so we keep each other cool. Like even the okra and stuff, with big leaf and stuff, we just keep each other cool and help everything to just grow better.
So you can actually plant sorrel all year round?
All year round. And one thing can't have you from the plant sorrel and if you don't have water.
I know there are different types of pineapples. So what type of
These
pineapple?
are the sugar pineapple. This pineapple are the originated sugar pine. This one not too big, but the sweetest and the best. Very juicy. And all gonna turn yellow on the outside when you ripe.
You have other kinds on the farm?
Yeah man. We have
What
different
other
types,
kinds?
like the cowboy pine. The cowboy pine, yeah. And with the cowboy pine and the sugar pine. The cowboy pine can get like 6-7 pounds.
Ooh.
Big.
But it's not as
But
sweet
they're
as
not
the
sweet,
sugar
they're
pie.
not near close. I love to teach people about what I like to do, you know. So,
So you love farming.
yes.
Anybody in your family did farming before?
Yeah, my father is 90 years old and all his life that's what he do.
Thank you so much for showing us around, Clifford.
Yes,
Appreciate it.
Yeah, you're welcome every time. So thank you guys for coming up too.
Market.
Yeah.
I have a question. So Footy went to Little London to do that? Did she bring back anything for anybody in it?
Me never get nothing.
Banana, pine, Harold, you got anything? You got something? You went on the shoot? No? So Footy, Mr. Clifford never sent anything for the host of the show?
I have another question. Mr. Clifford is soft man, brother?
What?
Look for Mr. Clifford and look for soft man. Yeah, no. No, I'm looking at him and then I looked up at soft man and I'm like, wait a minute. I would think they were, but soft man can't grow callaloo. And callaloo, I use something for us to put in around.
They ate everything down there. That doesn't help.
They ate everything down there, but that doesn't
That doesn't
equate
help
with
us.
Arrow's story that he got something.
Because
So
the
somebody's
last
lying.
broadcast y'all did in country, one of the
Yes.
gentlemen down there gave you stuff to
Yes.
carry up. So
A
I'm just,
wonderful melon, sweet. You know, me long for eat some yam from a compound.
so we're making a go down there go eat it.
Yeah, this is
You
the
never
nicest yam I ever eat.
You know, for walk.
Yam from a compound.
Make it a date
is
and
nice.
don't be
Morning,
late.
a compound.
Nice, farming, organic, lovely. Keep it up, Sir Clifford. Apparently there's more, as Footy said. They were fed. Not only did they get a tour, they were
So
fed.
she never bring no ground provision and she never bring none of the food.
I don't feel good about that. Anyway, we're not finished with Zimbali retreats just yet, as we told you. That was just part one. The food goes from farm to table, or as Grace would say, farm to fork, at Zimbali retreat, after Raquel gives us the news in 5. Stick around, folks. Hi, Rax!
Hey, Roxy!
Raquel, they get any products from country?
First, Raquel even knows that them
Raquel
go
come from country to Raquel, no provision. We don't understand this country.
You know I'm from Kingston?
No, you're not.
Yes. I left Kingston when I was 10.
And went to which country again did it go?
I was in St. Elizabeth.
I'm saying though, all of you go to this place where there's all this vegetation and all these provisions and nobody brings anything. Anyway, news coming up. I don't
Including Landia, you know.
I don't feel no way.